In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add judge.me reviews to your Shopify store. By the end, you'll have review stars and a full review section live on your product pages, plus your emails set up to start collecting feedback right away. First, install the judge.me product reviews app from the Shopify App Store. You can find it by searching judge.me inside the App Store. When you click install, review the permissions, then confirm. This adds the app to your store so you can manage widgets, emails, and moderation in one place. Next, log into your Shopify admin and go to the Apps section. Open judge.me and follow the setup guide. The built-in guide will walk you through the essentials so nothing gets missed. Take a moment here to confirm your store's basic details and make sure the app recognizes your theme. Now click Install Review widget. This adds the actual star ratings and the review list to your storefront. You'll be prompted to open the Shopify theme editor so you can choose exactly where the stars and the reviews section should appear. In the theme editor, navigate to a product page template. Place the star rating near the product title or price for maximum visibility, and position the full review section lower on the page where shoppers expect to scroll for details. Every theme is a little different, so preview as you go and make sure the elements don't crowd your buy buttons or key product information. Customize the colors, layout, and text to match your branding. Align the accent color of the stars and buttons with your store's primary color and keep contrast high for readability. Update any wording so it sounds like your brand and choose a layout that complements your product images and description. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner, head back to judge.me, and complete the remaining setup steps. Configure your email review request settings, including timing and tone, so customers receive a friendly nudge after their order is delivered. Add your logo and branding so emails and widgets feel consistent with your store. Set your review moderation preferences to control what gets published and how notifications are handled, balancing trust with a smooth workflow. Visit a product page on your storefront to confirm the star rating and the reviews section are visible and styled correctly. Then send a test review request email to yourself to check the branding, links, and formatting on both desktop and mobile. Your Judge.me reviews are now active and ready to collect customer feedback. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.